Does it ever seem like all you get in the mail are bills, cable, phone, cell phone, gas, water? And here's my electric bill from Indiana Michigan Power. Everything's getting more expensive, from gasoline to groceries to natural gas.
Okay, yes, we got our invitation in the mail. Oh, and then of course we got the light bill. No, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Okay. The kids, they are out of control. The lights are on this house all the time. You are not going to believe how much our bill is this year. You are not going to believe how many kilowatts they have used this month.
And the rates are still among the lowest in the country. The average I&M customer pays less than $10 a day for electricity. And that amounts to lighting, air conditioning, washing and drying clothes, using a computer, the list goes on.
I mean, this is out of control.
So what else can you buy for that?
Are we going to change carriers?
Well, you know what you pay for a gallon of milk or a gallon of gas. How about a ticket to a movie?
We can't afford
It's likely that
it.
rates will go up for a couple of reasons. We need to maintain and replace equipment like transformers, poles, power lines, and meters. We also need to maintain reliability through programs like enhanced tree trimming. And on top of that, new federal policies require environmental upgrades costing several $1 billion. I&M generates about 60% of its power, 36% comes from nuclear plants, and the rest is a combination of wind and hydroelectric power. Protecting the environment is the right thing to do, and so is maintaining a practical energy. I know none of us want to higher monthly bills. There are things all of us can do to use less electricity, like switching over to CFL light bulbs, getting rid of that old second fridge, purchasing an Energy Star appliance, or conducting a home energy audit. I&M Smart programs offer incentives for all of these things. Our daily lives are powered by electricity. Compared to what we spend on other things, it's a good value today and will remain a good value tomorrow. At I&M, we expect to bring you safe, reliable, cost-effective power for many years to come. To learn how to lower your bill, visit IndianaMichiganPower.com/bill. It's likely that rates will go up for a couple of reasons. We need to maintain and replace equipment like transformers, poles, power lines, and meters. We also need to maintain reliability through programs like enhanced tree trimming. And on top of that, new federal policies require environmental upgrades costing several $1 billion. I&M generates about 60% of its power from coal, 36% comes from the Cook nuclear plant, and the rest is a combination of wind and hydroelectric power. Protecting the environment is the right thing to do, and so is maintaining a practical energy. I know none of us want to higher monthly bills. There are things all of us can do to use less electricity, like switching over to CFL light bulbs, getting rid of that old second fridge, purchasing an Energy Star appliance, or conducting a home energy audit. I&M Smart programs offer incentives for all of these things. Our daily lives are powered by electricity. Compared to what we spend on other things, it's a good value today and will remain a good value tomorrow. At I&M, we expect to bring you safe, reliable, cost-effective power for many years. To learn how to lower your bill, visit IndianaMichiganPower.com. It's likely that rates will go up for a couple of reasons.